Hello and welcome to how to take verbena cuttings. The first step is to wait till late spring and early summer. This is when the plant will be in full bloom and growing vigorously. Step 2. Fill a pot with compost and then water it. Step 3. Cut a side shoot that has no flower. An ideal length for the shoot is 4 to 6 inches. Step 4. Cut the shoot below a leaf node and remove the lower leaves. It's important to act quickly to prevent loss of moisture. Step 5. Plant the shoot in the compost and press down firmly. Step 6. Cover the pot with a plastic bag. As I said earlier, loss of moisture is the biggest problem as the shoots have no roots. The plastic bag helps to keep the atmosphere humid and prevents them from wilting. Step 7. Place the pot in a warm place but keep out of direct sunlight. Step 8. After about 4 to 5 weeks, the cuttings will have developed roots. You can see the roots here just sticking out the bottom of the pot. Fill a pot with compost and then make a hole in the middle using your thumb and finger. Carefully remove one of the cuttings, being careful not to damage the roots. Place the cutting in the pot and gently press down the compost around it. Finally, water the cuttings to bed them in. Keep the cuttings in a warm, bright place but out of direct sunlight. You now have some new plants at no cost. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.